Chiplets are small, independent silicon dies that can be interconnected to form a larger, more powerful chip. This approach offers several advantages over traditional monolithic chip design, the current AI chip design standard. Chiplets enable customization, driving improved performance and efficiency in quick feature addition. For example, a chiplet designed for image recognition and a chiplet designed for natural language processing can merge to form a modular silicon chip by utilizing the universal chiplet standards. Chiplets can be easily scaled up to increase performance and capacity. A must-have feature for AI applications requiring memory and computing power. Compared to monolithic chips, chiplets have the potential to be more cost-friendly, as only some blocks would require advanced nodes while others utilize mature nodes that are low on cost. In addition to these advantages, chiplets also offer the potential to improve the security of AI systems. Using different chiplets for different functions makes it possible to isolate critical components and makes it more difficult for attackers to exploit vulnerabilities. Overall, chiplets offer a promising new approach to the design of AI silicon. As the chiplet ecosystem matures, one can expect to see chiplets enabling more advanced AI solutions than ever.